Hey guys, let me go use the restroom real quick, and then I think we'll start this busy night. We're gonna be doing our notes, and then we're gonna do something else. Go from there. Okay. All right. So this is let me just go use the bathroom here. I really have to go. Can't hold it. I'll be right back in a few minutes. We're also. All right, Jonathan. Okay. All right, guys. Sorry if I. Those of you just joined. Using the bathroom, so here I am now. We have a busy night. Jonathan, now that we're just doing chapter 2, lesson 3. Well, guess what, Jonathan? We're doing it right now. So, okay. I got the wrong one. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and get into chapter 2 and lesson 3. Then right after we do this lesson, I'll be explaining to you guys what we're going to be doing for the rest of this live stream. Anyways, we're doing Heinz Chapel tonight, as you know. As you probably saw last night, we're doing Heinz Chapel tonight. So let's say hello to Heinz Chapel. Hello, Heinz Chapel. This is another historic building on the University of Pittsburgh's campus called Heinz Memorial Chapel. The historic landmark opened in December of 1938, and construction started in 1933. Here's a cool fact. This building opened a year after one of the tallest academic cathedrals in the United States opened in 1937, which we all know that's the Cathedral of Learning. But isn't there anything that makes this building, this historic landmark, modern? Let's find out, shall we? A Schindler Elevator. This is a Schindler Elevator, okay? Alright, so question 1. When we look at this elevator lobby, and this elevator itself, what year do you think this modern like expansion opened? Well, in your opinion, what year do you think it opened? By looking at it. Here it is again. What year would you say that this building actually opened? I mean, this elevator expansion opened up? I'd say 1996, maybe 1995 or 1997. But whenever it did, it's still a really nice elevator. All right. Now let's see if we can find our friends. I think any of our friends are online right now. So this elevator and its lobby may not be so original-like, but you're greeted to something on floor C upon entering the congregation hall. Where do you see the floor C on this panel? It's right here. The floor C is right here. This is G and that's LL. The C is right there. Okay. Now what do you think that C stands for? It stands for congregation, all right? Ooh, now take a look at this. Take a look at this. This is the congregation hall right here at Heinz Chapel up on the sea level. Now, by looking at it, we can see a beautiful stained glass roof. Look how beautiful this is. Ain't it breathtaking when you look at it? I think it's very breathtaking. Now, how is the stained glass roof breathtaking to you? Well, in my words, it's just, for one, it's an historic building. Hello, Jonathan. Jonathan, come in. There we go. There he goes right there. There's Jonathan right there. Anyways, as I was saying, the roof's really breathtaking because look. Oh, Jonathan, I'm doing a live stream right now, so yeah. Anyways, let's look at this beautiful building. This is so Pittsburgh. This ain't Steubenville. This is Pittsburgh. And this is an historic building from 1938, 1937. Or no, wait, let me. 1938, December of 1938. This is an historic building. And just for a fun fact, for Jonathan, this building opened a year after the Cathedral of Learning opened in 1937. Well, this one opened in 1938. That one opened in 1937. But just look at those lights. It's stained glass roof. This is like breathtaking. How's it breathtaking to you, Jonathan?
I have no clue.
Well, it has a lot of beauty in it. We can say that much. All right. All right, so let's take a look at this picture of the call station on floor G. Why do you think there's a little light right next to the up button? All right. Well, here's why I think there's a little light next to it. It's probably because it was restricted access at one time, or that's the unused light for ADA use. The unused light for ADA use. Maybe it was for the OL floor at one time when they were doing construction. Maybe this was a mod. Who knows? But you know what? It doesn't mean the elevator's restricted now. It means that the OL floor is sometimes locked. Okay? All right. All right, so let's take a look at picture 3. Now we're going to describe the Cathedral of Learning's exterior. And I forgot the picture. I forgot the picture. Add the picture here. Let's go ahead and the picture here. Picture of it. And let's add it. Picture to a PowerPoint, by the way, guys. So put it right in this slide right here. Point, right? Microsoft Office. Don't ask me what year it is. It's 2016. 2016. That's the Cathedral of Learning. So if we were to design its exterior in our own words, what could we say about it? Beautiful building, just by looking at it on the outside. We're on 12, right? Page 12.
Well,
It's historic, right? Okay. All right. So what have we learned from this lesson? That's it for free.
about
It's about Heinz Hall's original modern look, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when we go to do lesson 4 tomorrow, would it be helpful to use these notes and pictures from this lesson?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what's the main idea of this lesson? It's basically about the original and modern look of Heinz Hall. So tomorrow, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing lesson 4, which will be based on the Soldiers and Sailors garage. So let's go ahead and save this. Okay. So Jonathan, we're going to go ahead and save this now. This is chapter 2, lesson 3. Tomorrow we'll do chapter 2, lesson 4. And on Saturday, I think we'll have a test. Sound good? We'll go over everything tomorrow. Trust me. Tomorrow. So we're going over everything tomorrow. Okay. All right. Okay, so let me go ahead and explain what we're going to be doing for the rest of this live stream. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to be talking about what's going to be going on in the future. Okay. I'm going to show you some pictures. And I'll say this much about the cathedral of learning. Again, in the future, but not now. What we're going to be doing is probably we're going to get into Trinity, to the Trinity campuses. We're going to get into the Trinity campuses. Trinity Hospital, down here, all of this. We're going to get into it sometime next week. Okay? We'll do West on Monday, and then Tuesday we'll do Trinity East. Okay? What else are we going to do?
Yeah. And do you have any elevator?
I do, Jonathan, but let's not talk about that right now, okay? Then we're going to do East Liverpool Hospital in chapter 4. Okay? What else are we going to do? Chapter 4 will probably... Chapter 4 is just one page. Or 1 or 2 lessons. Okay? What else do we do? Why don't we... Oh, listen. Guys, that's one thing we're going to do. Right after we do chapter 4, okay? A friendship, probably, okay? I know it doesn't involve elevators, but you guys are going to get to know my friends, okay? Do that for chapter 5. They are awesome. You're right. Then chapter 6, we're going to get into this old Otis freight elevator. I said freight elevator, defunct, hello. And then chapter 7, we're going to get into the old Best Western and the new Best Western. That sound good? Jonathan, it sounds good, right? All right. Anybody have any questions on anything? Nope. Okay. All right, so let's see here. So that's that. And later on tonight, we're going to do a little math worksheet, okay? We're going to do a little math worksheet tonight, okay? And I'll explain what that math worksheet is. We'll do it a little later. Yeah. Okay, now. Jonathan, can you see my screen on the live stream?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. Let's see here. Oh. Okay, so last week. Okay, now, Jonathan, listen, buddy. Okay. All right. Now, last week, didn't we?
Yeah.
And remember, for this project, the 4 facts, the pictures, and the conclusion paper. Okay? All right? What do you mean by copyright strike? Okay? So for the heading, you needed to have the heading labeled as the question you did your project on for your 4 for your 4 facts, you needed to have the 2 facts on the far left side and the 2 facts on the far right side explaining how you got your answer. You need to have 2 pictures going down in the middle for a 3 to 4 sentence conclusion explaining in general about your question, why you chose to do that question, and how you got the answer in general. Okay? All right? Okay. All right, so what we're going to do now, okay, so listen, please. What we're going to do now, Jonathan, what are you doing there?
Just playing with this thing.
Oh, yeah? Okay, so what we're going to do now is, let's see here. How am I going to do this? Okay, so now we're going to get ready. So now we're going to get ready to present our projects. Okay? I hope you all worked on them really well. And I said, okay, and I said that I'd let Jonathan be the first one up. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're probably going to start presenting these projects, okay? All right, so Jonathan.
Yeah, I'm gonna go use the bathroom, so I'll be right back.
Okay, so when Jonathan gets back, he's our first presenter. I just want to talk about some things really quick, okay? He's going to give you your heading of his. I'm going to give you the heading of your project, of his project. He's going to give you his 4 facts. He's going to give you his pictures, and he's also going to his pictures, okay? And then he's going to tell us about his 3 to 4 sentence conclusion explaining his project in general, about why he did it, why he chose to do that question, and how I got that answer in general, okay? So that's what Jonathan's going to be doing for us here. Now, as Jonathan's presenting, I suggest everyone who is typing on here right now, on the chat window, on this live stream, anyone who is chatting right now in this live stream is going to have to stop when Jonathan gets back, because we need to pay really close attention to Jonathan, okay? All right? Because when somebody else is presenting, we need to show our best respect for that person, okay? So, when Jonathan goes to present, we're not doing a Skype call because there'd be chaos. Okay? So Jonathan, when he gets back, he's going to present his project. So again, he's going to give us, okay, so here's how it's going to work, Jonathan.
All right.
So Jonathan's going to give you his heading. He's also going to give you his 4 facts. He's also going to give you his pictures. And then he's going to give you his conclusion paper. Those are all the things that Jonathan has to do right now, okay? So Jonathan, are you ready, bud?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. So let's kind of like stop chatting right now, okay? All right. So we can
No
pay.
one's not chatting on your
All right.
chat log right now.
Because you need to pay really close attention to Jonathan when he presents. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Jonathan. So what you have?
Let's see. Yeah. Another thing. Yeah. It's, yeah. I'm still here.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Do you need help reading something? All right. What do you need help reading?
Yeah.
Did you even do your project, Jonathan?
Yeah.
Can I see your poster, please? Oh, okay. All right. So what do we have?
This right here is the Schindler HT.
Okay.
The cathedral of learning, this plus.
Okay. Okay, Jonathan, I'm going to have to stop you right there. You're supposed to do it over chapter 1, lesson 3.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe better. Maybe we should. Maybe this one should be easy though. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. Don't worry about this one. Okay. Thanks anyways for trying.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna have to give you a C though. Okay.
Alright.
Well, at least you tried. Okay. All right. Well, thanks, Jonathan. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do now, since Jonathan couldn't really do it that well, what we're gonna do is go over. We're gonna do a math worksheet. Okay. Well, actually, I'm not do the week when we're all here together. We'll do the worksheet. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So what else are we gonna talk about? Okay. How about we talk about the Mullet Robinson? Okay. Then we'll talk about hand dryers for elevator testing. Oh, he'd love that, wouldn't he? What else can we talk about, Jonathan? Oh, how about this?
What do you mean? Let me see screen on.
Okay, we're gonna talk about friendship. Okay. I think we're gonna do that. Okay.
Yeah, friendship
Right.
is like you're friends with someone.
That's right. Very good. Okay.
But when you're friends with someone, you should never ever bully anyone because bullying is wrong.
Right. Right. Exactly. Okay. So we'll probably get into friendship after we do. Okay.
Yeah.
And then I think we'll just go from there. Okay. And we will have a project for this. We can do better with it. Okay. This project should be simple. Okay, because I won't make it be a heading. I'll just make it to be a little simple. Your favorite elevator or something. But I'll talk about the requirements in it though. Okay, so that's going to be it for this live stream. And thanks so much for watching me tonight.
And remember, you should comment, like, and subscribe to Elevator by Toronto Elevators.
And we're going to do chapter 2, lesson 4 tomorrow. Over the Soldiers and Sailor Squad. So, and I'll see you all later. Okay.